I ran into this last week here, so it fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer your number from Giffgaff to Otwo, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Get your PAC code. To start the porting process, you need to request the porting authorization code PAC from Giffgaff. You can do this by texting PAC to 65075 or by logging into your Giffgaff account. Step 2. Sign up with Otwo. Next, if you haven't already, you need to sign up for an Otwo plan. You can do this online or at an Otwo store. Make sure to have your PAC code handy during the sign-up process. Step 3. Provide your PAC code. During the Otwo sign-up, you will be prompted to enter your PAC code. Make sure you input it correctly to avoid any delays in the porting process. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your PAC code, Otwo will process the request and you should receive a confirmation via text or email. This can take up to 24 hours, but usually it is much quicker. Step 5. Test your new Otwo SIM. Once you receive confirmation, insert a new Otwo SIM card into your phone. Make a call or send a text to ensure your number has been successfully ported. If you encounter issues, try restarting your phone. Transferring your number can seem daunting, but following these steps will help you get it done without a hitch. Good luck with your new Otwo plan.